Hi friends, welcome to our channel Kuti Info. In today's video, we are going to describe you about the filing of ITR-1. If your salary is up to 12,75,000, then there is no need to pay any individual personal tax. So, in this video, you can find yourself to file your ITR within 5 minutes. Just follow our steps. Now we will begin our video. First, open the income tax e-filing portal and the link will be available in the description. Before that, try to check your Form 16, which is always available with your employer. So now you can find your overall gross salary here. Now his salary is 7,51,271, which is within our limit, which means 12,75,000. Even up to 50 lakhs, an individual can file ITR-1. But in this case, in today's video, I am going to teach you about the 12,75,000 limit, which means there is no need to pay any tax. It is official. There is no need to manipulate anything. There is no need to give any wrong or illegal data. Just follow the steps and get your refund done. So open the portal. If you are logging in, if you are entering into the site for the first time, then register yourself. Otherwise, click login. Now enter your user ID, which means generally your user ID will be your PAN number. Then continue and click on the checkbox. Enter your password and continue. This is the opening interface, which is the main dashboard of the income tax e-filing. For every individual, other than their own salary, they might have got any savings account interest, FD interest, or any crypto digital assets involved in their account details, but which may be not available or they are not unaware of their own transactions. In this case, we will check our entire transactions using Form 26AS. So, click on the e-file. Then income tax returns, view Form 26AS. Now a new tab will be opened. Click on the checkbox, proceed, view tax credit. Now select the assessment year as 26 and 27, view as HTML, click on view/download. Now you can see the entire transaction happened in your PAN number, but in this scenario, for this individual, only his salary is credited. Other than that, nothing was involved. So, coming back to the dashboard of the income tax e-filing portal, click on the file now. The assessment year is already available here. Then click on online mode and continue. Start new filing. Select individual and proceed. So for ITR-1, there are some criteria are there. ITR-1 is available only for a resident individual, which means they should be Indian, not NRI or not RNOR, and their total income up to 50 lakhs. That the source of that 50 lakhs should be salary or pension or income from one house property, or other sources like bank interest, FD interest, family pension and etc. And agricultural income up to 5,000. For if anyone is falling within these criteria, they can file their ITR-1 straight away. Now coming back to the session, proceed. Select ITR-1, proceed with ITR-1, click on OK. Let's get started. In this section, you can select others and continue. This is the main interface of your income tax e-filing in ITR-1. So total 5 steps will be there: personal information, gross total income, total deductions, tax paid, verify your tax liability details. So first click on the personal information. Then your entire personal information will be there. But in this year's scenario, for every individual whoever is filing their ITR-1, in the last step there is an error is coming for each and everyone, that is the secondary address problem. So click on the edit in the contact section. Now is the secondary address same as primary address? Click on yes and save. If your secondary address is different, then click on no and manually enter your data, then click on save. Now coming back to the section, nature of employment, select your nature of employment. Then this is the very important part, and you are filing within the time. So 134 the already it is available in the section, no need to change the 139.4 139.5, it is already available, so let it be. Then this is the very important part. So if your salary is, if your entire source of income is up to 12,75,000, then just close your eyes and select on no, which means you are opting the new tax regime. If you are selecting the old tax regime, you have to pay some taxes, otherwise you have to give some data. So it is better to select new tax regime. And if you are doing the same, then click on no. If any of your representative is doing this for you, then click on yes. Now in our case it is no. Then bank details, just pre-validate your bank details for your refund. And coming to the end, just confirm it. Now you can see the green tick symbol with the confirmed. So section 1 is completed, section 2 enabled. So click on the gross total income. So you can cross check your gross total income with your form 16. If in case of any discrepancy, you can edit it, but in our case it is normal. Then turn down. Come on, if you have received any income from house property, you can enter it here. Then income from other sources like interest from savings bank account, interest from a deposit, interest from income tax refund. So everything is reflecting here. So after adding each and every part of the section, your salary should be within 12,75,000. So if your salary is 12,50,000, if you have received interest from deposit as 30,000, you can't get maximum benefits. So the entire source of income should be 12,75,000. Then you can follow the steps blindly. Then scroll down and confirm it. Then total deductions, it is a formality, no need to fill anything, just a total deduction. If you have contributed for any national pension scheme, then enter the data, otherwise scroll down and confirm. Then tax paid details, click on the tax paid details. As on today, if you are salaried person, your tax details will be here, so click here. As on today, the income tax site have not updated their any individuals fourth quarter tax deducted details. So for this individual, the total tax deduction was 30,000, which means almost 8,900 rupees was deducted in the last quarter, but they have updated for the first 3 quarters. So we can edit it manually, but this data is already available in the form 16. So we have the reference. So now just click select it and edit. This interface will come. This salary will be automatically carry forwarded from the section 2 gross total salary. Then I am going to edit the total tax deducted. So I have entered the value as per my form 16. Then save it. Then scroll down and confirm. Then verify your tax liability details. Just check everything, scroll down and confirm it. Now all 5 parts are completed. Proceed to verification. Now you are eligible for a refund of 30,390, which means there is no need for him to pay any taxes. See, your total tax liability is 0, so his entire paid tax will be refunded, only because his entire source of income is below 12,75,000. That is the reason. So preview and submit your return. Then click here and enter your place wherever you will be, like Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, anywhere else. Then scroll down, proceed to validation. Now validation is successful, no errors were found. But in this year's income tax filing, many personnel are getting the error like your secondary address is unavailable, which I have explained in the personal information section. So just follow the same and that error will be removed. So no errors were found. Just preview it, scroll down, proceed to validation, then no errors found. Then again proceed to verification. See, here 3 options are there, but preferably try to finish it at the same time. So verify now and continue. Then total 5 options are there, but most preferable one is verify using Aadhaar OTP, and the second one will be through net banking. So I am selecting the Aadhaar OTP method. Then continue. Click the checkbox and generate Aadhaar OTP. Then enter the OTP and validate. Now your form is not still submitted. So now click on the submit. Then submit level validation successful, no error found. Then proceed. Now your income tax filing successfully done. You have not entered any data. So nothing to worry. Don't fear. It will take 1 day. In last year, only 22 hours was taken for my friend for the refund. So for some people, it was around 72 days. So no need to worry. You just fill yours, unless otherwise you have received any notice or any warning messages. There is nothing to worry. If it is in the processing stage, no need to worry. They will clear it with a limited time. So now you have filed. How can you check your status of the income tax filing? So for that, click on the e-file, income tax return, then view file returns. Here you can see your entire processing data. See, this is our today's income tax file return. So you can check the status anytime. So that's all. If your salary is up to 12,75,000, just close your eyes, follow the steps. Just file it. No need to pay any 500,000 or with the help of anyone. It will be done by yourself only. Thank you for watching. For such kind of informative videos, you can follow our channel Kuti Info, and you can suggest the same to your neighbors, near and dears. Thank you for watching. Nandri.